Hi guys, good evening. So couldn't have much time to do my live trading analysis for earlier this afternoon, but still managed to do it at the night. Managed to squeeze out some time. So let's jump right in. Starting off with analysis yesterday. Um, so Aussie dollar, we talked about Aussie dollar, cotton, and euro dollar. So start off with Aussie dollar is that the wait for the blue line to come down to buy. Seems like it. Am I looking at the right chart? Am I supposed to look at the? Okay. Seems like it price went further away. So interesting because it had a few days of pause and then went back up. Um, and with the higher SL, so we'll come to that later. So didn't got it quite right. So let's look at a bigger trend picture later. Hey, no, sorry. Yeah, this is I wasn't looking at. Okay, so Aussie dollar, good. There we go. So this is Aussie dollar. Just now was yen. My mistake there. So yeah, wait for the blue line to come down to buy. So blue line did indeed come down, which I am right. So that's good to know. And given that this is the picture now and have a couple of days of pause, and it kind of like looking at how it paused, right? So looking at the past, it paused like this. It went up and then paused like this, and then sideways a bit, pause up, and then the pause was down, and the pause was down, and the pause was down. This time round, the pause was kind of like a pointed to the like flag rather than the down kind of a thing, and then this time round it went up like this, and there wasn't any relevant particular kind of pattern to anything like that yet. So I do have my reservations in terms of price, how they move, especially over the past 60 days or so, right? This whole area is about 60 days. uh Almost feels like it's topping off, but let's see. We look at the bigger picture. So next one will be cotton. I'll go deeper into Aussie dollar. Aussie cotton, we although the is on a concurrent mode, that means pink and red line is up, but the margin of error for the red line to turn, it can be quite easy, right? So basically over this whole period, as it starts to drop off the numbers, it doesn't take much for blue line, which is now has seen that it's kind of dropped down a bit, and then you can see that the red line became flat, and when that happens, price actually starts to weaken. So it could be a pause. We definitely like to see a bit more of a kind of a pause in terms of the price to kind of like look. It's a bit hard to buy now, especially also because there's a bit of a divergence coming off right now, where the high is here, right? And then it made a higher high, but the line is as so is much lower than this high. So I think short term wise, we're definitely looking at a price drop, and how bad it dropped, we don't know. Uh, but that's what I see. I'll go into deeper details. So and next, yesterday we also talked about euro, right? Euro, wait for, can't even read my own handwriting here. Wait for due to high. Okay, so I think I wrote there, wait for dips due to a high blue line. So yeah, the high blue line, and then true enough it dropped the dip. So um yeah, okay, so that's for yesterday, and today it's Friday, and let's go through our position. And great, so if I were to take position on I'll get out of this position, and I think I would want to, depends. I'll take a closer look at loonies, and if I do close at this price, I have effectively officially doubled my value. So I am kind of wanting to do that today, but let's see how Canadian loonies do. So okay, so Aussie dollar, pink line up, red line up. So concurrent we can look to buy, but because of this higher blue, this blue line that kind of like tapered off, drop down, we expect that it could be a way that it probably will come back down more. So never know. But of course, it could go very much higher, right? So if can take multiple position and can take more risk, I would buy. And for a stop loss, I would definitely put at some kind of high around here, which is 0.6680. But I don't want to take this trade because I rather reserve my bullets and kind of be like a sniper kind of a thing. Yeah, so for now I'm not gonna trade. I think it will come back down, and if they come back down, we're looking at probably some sideways action, or then from there we could look to buy. So for now, no trade for me. So cotton is fairly up, red line up, and then blue line is showing some kind of divergence. So line's momentum basis, for sure we can look to buy, but don't really like that buy opportunity, because if you can also notice this bump over here, this high, and this kind of like almost feels like a high also, but it's a lower high, so there's some kind of a divergence over here as well as a divergence over here. So I think more likely for price to come back down for cotton. So I'll just put here the red line and the blue line showing divergence, so likely shorts in the short term, right? But be very ready to get out of the position if it just gets price just shoots away too far, because we are still in a trend where it's concurrent. So we don't want, I'm not gonna take this trade. I don't think we should take this trade, but bigger risk takers could try to short this, and if really were to short, I think it's better to get out quickly if it doesn't work our way. And when I say wouldn't work our way, we're probably looking at some kind of a high stop loss at the range of 63.59. Yeah, just so that you can be safe and play safe around it. Okay, crude oil, I'm not looking at this because red up, pink down, so cross current. Moving on. Euro is showing to be up and kind of solidly up, but blue line down, red line up. So strictly speaking, we can look to buy, but with this high blue line numbers, we want to wait for blue line to kind of come down a bit more first. So just let me write it down. Wait for blue line to come down more before buying. So yeah, good to enter here, I feel, but I think we can catch a better price over the next few days, probably T+2 or 3 to catch a better price and be better positioned in the trade. So if you're running a tight account like me, I think you cannot put this trade, but if you have a huge account, you could buy. But just that your stop loss would be, you need to have a deeper stop loss, and the deeper stop loss would be probably at this kind of level, at the high of this 1.10084, which is a pretty deep stop loss, because chances are it would touch, if you were to come down, it's likely to touch 1.114754, and then close back up before it goes up. So that's the possibility. So not trading anyway. Pound dollar, let's see, pound dollar. Pound pink line is flat, and although it has been going up, red line up, blue line is a little flat-ish feeling, so kind of due for a retracement, especially for the blue line. But I don't like the picture that because this whole area is somewhere around here. So the price over here, which is the high 12475, is very close to the this area. So trend is very much flat. So we're not gonna trade this. We're just too flat. Moving on. So gold. So gold has been pretty much a disappointment since the beginning, where we did call out pretty good. We did have a pretty good call out initially, but price did not sustain, right? Just let me kind of okay. 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 So, um, just hang on. So I'm just trying to get my internet back up. Using my hotspot to do this. Hence, internet's a bit slow. So didn't want that to affect my trades if I need to put on a trade. So yeah, just waiting for my this internet to come back up. Yeah. So coming back is so for gold, right? Pink line is up, red line is down, so cross current mode we can't trade and it's gonna be choppy, and I think it's gonna chop for quite a while. So let's just move on. Natural gas is flat, I'll skip that. Platinum cash, let's see. Okay, should be coming back up quicker right now. Okay, great. I think I'm back up. So, platinum cash in terms of the pink line is up, red line is down, so we skip that as well. And Canadian, the loonies, we are in a good shape. Pink line down, red line down, blue line is flat-ish up, and we start to see some kind of a divergence, right? Where price over here made there's a low here, but divergence kind of like show it went up higher. So there's a lower low, but divergence, I mean the blue line is higher, so we can look to kind of get out of the trade. That being said, we are still quite far off from the price that we trend is pretty strong. So but we like the profit, so I think we will just get out of the trade, just because I think that we will see some kind of a price going back up. Yeah, so and yeah, I think I like to get out, just having series of lower high and lower low. So let's get some profits. Take profit. How do I take profit? Take profit, everything. Take profit. Oh, how can I take my profits? I still suck at this. So buy. Is there any way I can even do like a? No. Okay, let's just go to my position here, and then order ticket, and take some profits. Come on, internet. This is how I take my profit. Place, no lay. So buy. How do I get out? Yeah, I want to take out profits. Amount. Let's see if I can do this. No. How do I take profits? Order ticket. Place buy market order. Oh. And all of a sudden, I don't know how to get out of trade. Correct, right? I sold. I'm gonna buy back 500. It will close back, right? Does it work that way? Looks like it. Yay! Okay, so it's a bit weird. My account should show me that I should get out of the trade. Um, looks kind of different from the previous look. So I'll check out how that works at my end. So sorry to keep you guys been waiting, and we are out of positions now. But we have officially doubled our account. Nice. Okay, so anyway, moving on. Yen is price went up, but it's too flat. We don't want to trade it because, and especially if price come back down, trend is just gonna be flat. So rather wait it out a bit more. So and lastly, I have a request from one of my friend, Ramesh, to kind of look at the Euro Canadian. So let's take a look if there is any chance to buy. He's looking to buy and is asking me what do I think, right? So let's take a look. Euro loonies, and the internet is so slow at night. I can't take it. This is bad. Okay, how do I do this? Product library. Am I supposed to just type in? Wow, I'm like living on Pentium 2, man. What is going on? Okay, I will go through this another day if it takes so long to load. Okay, it's coming back up. So let's hope that it will work. Let's go to the charts. Sorry, maximum charge has been reached. Fine. Let's close off one. Let's probably not look at platinum for now. Yeah. Maybe there's too much going on in the background. But that shouldn't be stopping me from trying to look at more charts. And I'm like so slow now. So Euro, Canadian. Let's go, come on. Euro, Canadian. Where's my Euro, Canadian? Goodness. What? Serious? Oh gosh, why is like that? So I close this. Watch list. Below commods. I'll close this as well. No, I don't want. Wait, why can't I look at more charts? Is there something wrong? Okay. Seems like I can't do it. So, which is very weird. Close all tabs. No, I don't want to close all tabs. I just want to close a few. What's going on? Okay, I sorry guys, I can't continue. It's just too slow. I gotta figure out on my time, so I'll just stop here, and I'll go through Euro Canadian another day. So yeah, see you guys, and like my video. I apologize for the delay, and yeah, we doubled the account, so that's on a happy note. So yeah, subscribe and like my video. All right, bye bye.